that not everything can be an album cover.
Are you looking to join in on the latest trend? In this video, you'll learn how to do proof that not everything can be an album cover. This is trending all over TikTok, so I'll show you step-by-step instructions on how to create your own version of this fun and creative trend. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To do this trend, you need the CapCut application, so go ahead and get it from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once you've done that, click on the link in the description. After you tap on that, you'll be taken to this page. So now what you want to do next is tap where it says Use Template in CapCut. And then tap on Use Template at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, simply add 5 videos from your gallery. Once you've done that, tap Preview. So now all you have to do next is check your video to make sure it's good, and then tap on the Export button at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on Export without watermark. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.